Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to backtest on TradeZella. Trying out backtesting on TradingView honestly feels like giving yourself a time machine for bad trading decisions because you get to see how your strategy would have performed before risking real money. First, create a TradingView account and choose a plan that supports replay and advanced chart tools. The Essential and Pro plans both include features useful for backtesting. So even a beginner option works fine if you're just learning. After signing in, open a chart for the asset you want to test, choose your time frame, and then use the replay feature near the top of the chart to move through old market data candle by candle. I use this a lot when testing entry ideas because it keeps me from pretending I totally would have bought there after the move already happened. You can play simulated buy or sell trades using the trading panel, adjust playback speed, and even open multiple charts if your plan supports it. The fun part is realizing your perfect strategy suddenly becomes emotional damage after three fake losses in a row. But that is exactly why backtesting matters before trading live. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.